Hey everyone, Synthetic Scott here. Today I'm buzzing with excitement to share something revolutionary that's set to shift the VR gaming landscape. Ever imagine controlling the shadows?
Well, Underworld Overseer is making it a reality this Halloween. Myron Games, the brilliant minds behind the VR god simulation Daysum, are bringing us a tantalizing new adventure that allows you to become the master of your own dungeon. Buckle up because this is a game you won't want to miss. Launching on October 31st, 2024, Underworld Overseer will be available on both MetaQuest and Steam platforms. And this isn't just another VR game. It's an immersive experience where you get to fuse your imagination with strategic prowess. Imagine being the overlord of a sinister dungeon, crafting intricate mazes and defenses to thwart any intruder bold enough to challenge you. The game features an engaging campaign mode with 18 intricately handcrafted levels. Each level is designed to offer 20 to 25 minutes of intense, action-packed gameplay. But that's not all. Those who conquer these levels will unlock even more challenging modes, providing endless hours of entertainment and strategic gameplay. One of the standout features of Underworld Overseer is its gorgeous cel-shading graphics. This artistic approach ensures that every dungeon you design looks like it's been pulled straight from your wildest fantasies. But the visuals are just the beginning. The game capitalizes on VR-optimized interactions, allowing you to use your hands for a fully immersive experience. Curious about how you can manipulate this underworld with your own hands? Imagine reaching out, setting traps and summoning creatures just by moving your fingers. Welcome to the future of VR gaming. Myron Games' track record speaks for itself. Their previous title, Daysum, has been a hit on the Quest Store, setting a high bar for immersive VR experiences. Their expertise in creating engaging VR environments promises an exciting journey in Underworld Overseer, pushing the boundaries of what we can expect from VR gaming. As the Overseer, your task is to design complex dungeons, populate them with a variety of minions, and set deadly traps to keep intruders at bay. The game's hand-based interaction system is a game changer. It's akin to feeling the power of a god as you directly manipulate the game environment. This level of interaction isn't just a gimmick, it fundamentally changes how you approach gameplay, making it a deeply engaging and personal experience. Ever wanted to feel what it's like to pull the strings in a dark, mystical realm? Underworld Overseer is your gateway? Our friends at Myron Games have crafted an experience that is finely tuned to keep you on the edge of your seat. The combination of strategic dungeon creation and real-time defense tactics ensures that every moment in the game is packed with excitement and challenge. It's designed for VR enthusiasts and strategy lovers alike, making it a must-play for anyone looking to dive into something fresh and exciting. Now, techies and gamers, I want to hear from you. What do you think about controlling and designing your own dungeon in VR? How do you feel about the innovative use of hand-based interactions in games? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's get a conversation going. So, mark your calendars for October 31st, 2024, folks. Underworld Overseer isn't just a game, it's a chance to become a part of an evolving technological marvel. Can you outsmart and outlast the intruders in your dungeon? Only time will tell. Dive into the shadows and become the overseer you've always dreamt of being.